With every drop of water you drink, every breath you take, you are connected to ocean. Being a part of the water world, preserving oceans is one of the most significant environmental challenges we face today. Thus, the government is taking every step possible for marine conservation by advocating strong policies, steps and schemes. Aligning with this, the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on November 24, 2021, approved the continuation of the umbrella scheme Ocean Services, Modeling, Application Resources and Technology (OSMART) of the Ministry of Earth Sciences during 2021 to 26 period at a cost of Rs 2,177 crores. The umbrella scheme named OSMART encompasses 7 sub-schemes, namely Ocean Technology, Ocean Modeling and Advisory Services, Ocean Observation Network, Ocean Non-Living Resources, Marine Living Resources and Ecology, Coastal Research Operation and Maintenance of Research Vessels. These schemes are being implemented by autonomous institutes of the Ministry of Earth Sciences. In a bid to aid research under the OSMART scheme, a fleet of oceanographic and coast research vessels have been provided by the Ministry of Earth Sciences. It is pertinent to note that the continuation of the OSMART scheme will augment the capacity building of India in the oceanographic field at the international level, considering the ongoing extensive research and technology development activities. The scheme will be responsible for strengthening India's contribution towards a national policy on blue economy for efficient and effective use of the ocean resources in a sustainable way. This scheme will further aid in delivering cutting-edge technology for the marine sector, forecast and warning services, and will also extend to understanding marine biodiversity, coastal processes, and conservation strategies for marine living organisms. It is noted that the current decade has been declared as the decade of ocean science for sustainable development by the United Nations, and thus the scheme extended for a period of 5 years will aid in the coastal research and marine biodiversity activities in achieving the UN Sustainable Development Goal 14 to conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas and marine resources. Aimed at promoting ocean research and setting up early warning weather systems, the Ocean Services, Modeling, Application Resources and Technology (OSMART) is a government scheme that also addresses ocean development activities such as technology, services, resources, science and observations, as well as providing technological assistance for implementing aspects of blue economy. Since it comprises oceanographic activities, the OSMART scheme forecasts and provides services based on the continuous observation of oceans, development of technological exploratory surveys for the sustainable harnessing of our oceanic resources, as well as promoting of front-ranking research in ocean sciences. Massive bounty of life is inside the ocean. As people outside, it's our responsibility to do our bit in a meaningful manner. Well, that is all for today's segment. Thank you for watching.